Alright guys, in this basic basic tools training video for SketchUp number 2, we are going to go over how to use the pencil tool. So again, you always want to have a 3D shape when you start. So we're going to make a 3D box, and I'm going to pull it up. Again, all these tools we used last time. Now the pencil tool, there are a couple different things you can use with this one. Okay. There's the line and the squiggly line. So we're going to do the line first. And of course the line makes straight edges. Okay. So you can draw straight edges on, it has to be on a 3D shape. Okay. But you can make straight lines going around it and from each other. And then what's really cool is when they are the skinny lines like this, that means you can push-pull them. Now if I drew a line and just stopped it in the middle, see how that line that I just drew is bold? That means you cannot push-pull it because it's not attaching to anything. However, if I make it and I go up and I attach it to something, it turns skinny. That means I can push-pull it. So I'm going to get my push-pull tool, and then I can take my shape and push-pull it different ways. Okay. I can also push them in or get rid of them completely. So I can push it in, or if I want to get rid of this one, I drag it, I click once, I drag it all the way back till it kind of looks weird like that, and I let go and it deletes it. So you can get rid of shapes, you can pull them in. The pencil tool is really cool about that. Okay, so it just makes a different shape. Okay. Now the squiggly line pencil allows you to freehand draw. Now my suggestion when you use this one is to zoom in really close. Always start on an edge and you're going to hold, oop, I didn't choose it. And you're going to hold your mouse button down for this one. And it makes a squiggly edge. And it's really hard to draw with this one, but it allows you to freehand draw stuff. Okay. So if I wanted to make some almost like clouds, and I end on an edge. Now if your squiggly line is bold, that means you cannot push-pull it, that you have to fix it or redo it. Okay, and then you can push-pull it down, pull it out, okay, whatever. It's the same as the pencil. Now you can see I'm changing my view here a bunch of different ways, okay. This is where having a computer mouse is really nice. If you push down on the rolly pad on the top of the mouse, push down and then move your mouse, it actually lets you do a 360 turnaround of your whole object. And if you use your rolly pad on your mouse, it zooms in and out. Now if you don't have a computer mouse, you can use, where is it, on the bottom here, there's your orbit, okay? And then you also have your zoom in and out. Okay. You also have a pan, so that allows you to go side by side. Okay. Now the last thing I'm going to show you with the pencil tool. So again, we always start with 3D shape. The last thing I'm going to show you is if you're trying to make a house just for fun doodling today. You're going to make your house, your roof, go across. Now it's not exactly straight, so I'm going to undo it. I'm going to make it again, and if you wave your pencil in the middle, it'll show you the middle part. Okay? And then if you take the 4 arrows here and grab that line in the middle, you can pull it up and it makes a roof. Okay? So that is it for the basics number 2 video.